Hello and Assalamu alaikum. We learn in this video how to fix iPhone camera's problem. It is true that Apple is among the most successful and popular smartphone manufacturers in the world. Generally, Apple is now for its smooth functionality and advanced feature. ठीक है ना? However, just like any other smart device, iPhone also tend to give some problems, and iPhone camera not working is one of those common complaints iOS users generally do even for iPhone 14. If you have faced such issue, read this voice and listen my voice and my video watch on, as it comprises of several immediate common iPhone front back cameras not working problem. First of all, let's take a look at all the possible problems related to front or back camera of iPhone. The camera does not working, it is very slow or completely frozen. Rear camera of the phone does not show anything at all. The camera freezes when switching between front and rear cameras. Some of the options related to camera does not working properly, for instance camera roll, HDR, flash and bokeh effect. Camera flash is not properly sonorized with the shoots U tag. Reason why iPhone front back camera not working. Now you have a basic ideas about the potential issue related to iPhone camera. Let's see the possible reason behind them. Due to faulty camera app, your iOS is not updated recently. Faulty iOS update, software bug, malware, rare camera lens is covered, hardware issue of the iPhone. Solution number 1, remove case from your smartphone, I mean iPhone. ठीक हो गया? This method is particularly applicable when iPhone back camera is not working. Just remove the case off and see if the camera works again. Solution number 2, restart your iPhone. If your iPhone front camera not working or rear camera, just perform a restart on the device, iPhone X or later iPhone 12 included. Step 1, press and hold the side button and any of the volume button. Step number 2, hold the buttons till power off slider appears. Step number 3, drag the slider to turn the device off. Step number 4, press the slide button and hold it to see the Apple logo. Number 4, iPhone 8 or older. Step number 1, press top button and hold it to see the power off slider. Step number 2, drag it so you can turn the device off. Step number 3, once it is switched off, press the top button once again and hold it to see the Apple logo. Solution number 3, clean camera lenses. Something your iPhone X camera not working just because it is obstructed with dirt and so clean it with a polishing cloth. Solution number 4, quiet camera app. And just watch my video and my video next part number 2 for iPhone cameras repair. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. And beautiful comment. This is my friend. Is very beautiful. And thank you for watching my video.